The 2025 Toyota Tacoma has arrived, and it's redefining what it means to be a modern midsize pickup. With its bold new design, enhanced technology, and serious off-road capability, the Tacoma continues to dominate in a segment it helped create. Whether you're looking for a daily driver with rugged appeal or a trail-ready beast, this latest Tacoma delivers on all fronts. The exterior design of the 2025 Tacoma is aggressive, purposeful, and unmistakably Toyota. A chiseled front end with a new grille design, updated LED headlights, and muscular fenders give it a bold stance. The silver finish adds a touch of sophistication, making it look equally at home in the city or on a mountain trail. It's not just about looks, the design is aerodynamically refined for better efficiency and performance. Under the hood, the Tacoma gets a significant upgrade. The new iForce 2.4L turbocharged engine offers impressive torque and horsepower, while the iForce Max hybrid variant takes power and efficiency to the next level. Whether you're towing, hauling, or climbing steep terrain, the Tacoma now delivers more capability with refined control. The new 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts and better response, enhancing both on-road and off-road driving dynamics. Inside, the 2025 Tacoma is a major leap forward in comfort and technology. The cabin is driver-focused, with intuitive controls and high-quality materials throughout. The redesigned interior features available leather-trimmed seats, a large touchscreen with the latest Toyota audio multimedia system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a fully digital instrument cluster in higher trims. The attention to detail is impressive. From the soft touch surfaces to the customizable ambient lighting, everything feels more premium. Toyota didn't forget its roots either. The new Tacoma is built on the TNGA-F global truck platform, shared with the Tundra and Sequoia, providing greater rigidity, improved ride quality, and enhanced safety. The TRD trims remain a favorite among enthusiasts, with the 2025 TRD Pro now offering segment-first features like Fox QS3 adjustable shocks, a high-clearance front bumper, and a trail-focused multi-link rear suspension. For serious off-roaders, the Trailhunter trim debuts with rugged enhancements like ARB components and Old Man Emu shocks right from the factory. Safety is a top priority, and the 2025 Tacoma comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This includes a suite of advanced features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and road sign assist. With these updates, the Tacoma isn't just tougher, it's smarter. Another notable feature is the improved bed utility. The available power tailgate, LED bed lighting, and 120 volts power outlets make it easier than ever to get work done or enjoy the outdoors. Whether you're a weekend warrior or someone who needs a reliable work companion, the new Tacoma has the versatility and toughness to meet your needs. In every trim and configuration, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma proves it's not just a pickup, it's a statement. With enhanced performance, modern technology, and legendary reliability, it's ready to take on the future. Whether you're hitting the highway or the trail, Tacoma is built to lead, not follow.